Hi everyone, thank you for joining us on this Thursday night rock and pour. I'm sure you saw Louise McKay art before me. Check out Angela Bliss art next, and then Amber's awfully awesome art will follow Angela. Don't forget to say hi in all the chats to be entered into that drawing. Everybody, thank you for joining me at Lori Houston Art. I'm so glad to have everybody here with us on this Thursday rock and pour. Okay, so you all know I've been working on some glass frames with my blooms, and I've decided to do a flower pop on the glass frame as well. It's 11 by 14, and these nifty things are great. I got them on Amazon. They adjust, and I love it for these frames because they move around the glass very easily. And I use this little level here for the glass. It's almost perfect. Now for this technique, that's perfect. That's spot on. And what I'll do is I'll probably leave it here since it is so level. I won't mess with it. But we have got some really, really cool colors. I have decided to kind of mimic an old painting that I did, and it's actually where I met Tara with pieces of Tara Artistry. It is the first video that she commented on. It was called Moonlit Buttercup, and that painting just was really dear to my heart, and I've decided to do a sunlit buttercup, meaning with the moonlit I was swiping with warm embers of black paint, and I am going to actually swipe with white, I believe. So we're going to get started with our colors using Submarine by this little piggy. Very, very cool. I think the video will probably, there we go. We've got some cool colors. I've got golden, diary lied yellow. I have Curious Goldfinch by Mondo Llama. I have Fresh Squeeze Lemonade. These are the paints that I get at Target. Very inexpensive. They do great on these flower pops. So then I've got Glistening Gold by Mondo Llama. I'm using some Pale Gold by Modern Masters. And I think that's all of our colors. I have mixed the Submarine is being mixed in with the, where's the Curious Goldfinch is what I mixed the Submarine in with. So we're gonna get started. Again, this is just an experiment for the flower pop. You know, I ordered a bunch of frames, and they came in and they were plastic and not glass. So I went ahead and I did experiment with the plastic, and it looks like it worked. So for shipping, it'll be so much easier to ship. We will see. Okay, now this is the one that has the Submarine in it. Okay, and I love this freshly squeezed lemonade. And I did because this is on glass, I've gotten used to the feel of these paints, but I will show you the really quick. It doesn't even leave a 1 second trace. It's like a 1 second. It goes right back in. And I'm going to spread this out, move this down, kind of, and I'm just going to spread. You know, this is a lot of paint. It's very different to be doing it on glass. I wasn't thinking, I guess, with the amount of paint. Wow, holy moly. Interesting. All right, I'm going to tip a little bit off. Again, I think I just used too much paint. Okay, this is a test anyway. Set them back on my little stands. Take a little of that off. We're gonna pour our just regular Artist Loft white. Okay. We're gonna use plastic today. I'm gonna set it in there. I'm gonna pull. Beautiful. Looking pretty. I love experimenting with this glass. I'm hoping this dries good. I think I'm gonna do just one simple vine, and look at the cells. That Modern Masters, this one, this gold, I think it's really selling up. Let's start here. Okay, get puffy, and here we go. Ooh, pretty. I like, very pretty. All right, remember, because the glass is slick and I'm not really sure how it's gonna hold these paints, I'm not gonna do any stem work until after it dries. So let's go through and do our flowers. I'm going to make this one very simple. I think it's the way to go to start. Beautiful. Now, when you're blowing the flowers, you have control over the contrast by picking up some of the white, blowing a little harder, moving the black like I did up into this one. I don't like that. There we go. Beautiful. Okay, so I'm doing a simple flower. I don't want to do a whole bunch on this, so I'm going to move down the stem, and I'm going to do one here. Let's blow it out first. I don't want a big flower.
Appalachian sunrise meets my skin. Even with my eyes still closed, I can feel it coming in. Golden, golden, I'll follow only golden, 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 golden.
Like a lot of cells. If we can keep it just like this, that'd be perfect. What I'm going to do is take a skewer, and I'm just going to start playing around with the petals, just defining them a little bit. And there's not a lot. I don't like that. There we go. There's not really a whole lot that needs to be done here. I'm really in love, but I will tell you, I want to remove any of the little dot. I don't like that yellow up there. So just take this spoon from the dollar store. I'm gonna touch it ever so lightly. There we go. Leave it alone. Okay, it should settle back in on its own. All right, what else do we not like here? Let's get a little bit of black paint. This has no definition. We need to see that petal because it's in the heavy part of those yellow cells.
Appalachian sunrise meets my.
Let's go down for a close-up before we put the stems on. Beautiful. I am in love. Again, that gold created a lot more cells than I like, but that's okay. This was an experiment. And I think if it dries, it's going to look like a crackled background for these flowers. I cannot wait to add the stems. And then we will put it in a frame. I'm going to bring it up. So pretty. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. I cannot wait to see you when I add the stems. Please check out Angela Bliss Art. She is up next. And after Angela is Amber's Awfully Awesome Art. And I hope you checked out Louise's video. She was before me. We are so excited about having the coaster giveaway. Thank you so much, Louise. I want to thank all of you that are watching and continue to come back week after week. Oh my gosh, guys. All right, I will be back to show you how I add the stems. See you there. Okay, I am actually going to speed through this because I don't have enough time to show this really in slow motion. So I have got a black Posca pen. It's the fine point, and I'm just going through. I realize I need to add something to connect the stem so that it doesn't look so odd. The a couple of the flowers did spread a little bit, but overall it just dried beautifully. I cannot wait to add the stems and then put this in a black frame. We have decided to varnish it, so I will show the final results. I'm drawing I'm a little bit nervous here, but I decided to draw a fine line to see how it looks with the Posca pen. I have a medium point Posca that I've decided to go over that fine line. I do like it, and I'll color in that area. So anyway, I'm going to add the stems and we're going to come back with the final results. I will see you all there.
Appalachian sunrise.
Okay, here we go. Look at these final results in this black frame. It is stunning. I'm so pleased with this final piece. This is my flower pop on glass. Don't forget to say hi in the chat to be entered for those coasters on all 4 of our videos. Let's head to Angela's channel.